Yo, welcome back to Food Boujee Recipes. We back with a really good dish tonight, and
one of my favorites.
One of your favorites?
Yes.
Yes, it is crawfish scampi.
Woohoo!
Yeah. All right. So basically, for crawfish scampi, you can use this. I mean, you could actually eat this as an appetizer or a main dish, depending on how you jazz it up and what you jazz it up with. So first of all, you're gonna definitely need some Louisiana crawfish tails. You'll need two 12-ounce packs of Louisiana crawfish tails. And with these tails, basically once you take them out the pack, you want to definitely look at them and make sure that they've been deveined. And if they haven't been, you want to go ahead and devein the rest of them. These have been deveined.
Make sure all the shells have been removed so you don't bite into them when you cook them. So.
Yep. All right, and so you'll need 1/4 teaspoon of black pepper,
1/4 teaspoon of your favorite Creole or Cajun seasoning
salt, and you can use Slap Your Mama, or we got this. What is this called? Tony's.
I'll let you try that last.
Well, anyway, whatever Cajun seasoning salt that you might want to use, and that's 1/4 teaspoon. And then
we have 1 teaspoon of hot sauce,
1 teaspoon of lemon juice, and you can use a little bit more of the hot sauce and the lemon juice depending on how much
spicy or hot
how you
like
want the taste to be.
And then we have 1 tablespoon of parsley
and 1 tablespoon of chopped green onions.
And then we have 2 teaspoons of garlic. And just remember that 1 clove equals 1 teaspoon.
So that'll be basically 2
cloves.
2 cloves. And then 2 sticks of butter.
That's a lot of butter, baby.
Yeah, greasy. But anyway, this dish is gonna have your taste buds jumping. All right, so we're gonna prepare it, and we'll let you see me do my little chef thing.
See you in a few.
Okay. All right, so we're back with the finished product.
Ta-da!
It looks good.
It smells good too.
Smells good, you think?
Yeah.
So we have the crawfish scampi.
So what we did was we plated some over some jasmine rice, and then this is how you would eat it as a entree, and as an appetizer we normally just kind of take some bread and break it up and scoop it on the bread. So
all right, let's dig in and see how it tastes.
Boom.
Help yourself.
Okay. We'll keep our fingers crossed. We make no guarantees.
Pretty good.
Good.
Yeah. Really good. I'm gonna try.
Nice and flavorful.
Yeah. Okay.
I'm getting a little heat from the hot sauce.
Now we're gonna dip some on the bread. Get a little juice.
Get a little juice.
Yeah.
Get that Jew on it.
It's hot. It's still hot too. So let's see how it tastes with the bread.
Tiny piece here.
I think we could have added a little more spice to give it a little bit more kick. Yeah, I think so. It's good, right? Okay. It's greasy.
All that butter.
A lot of butter, yeah. So
I agree with Lo. If you like stuff extra spicy, you could kind of double up on the garlic and on the hot sauce to give it more of a kick.
Yeah, a little bit more kick. So if you guys try it, be sure to comment and let us know what you think. And be sure to subscribe to our shows on Facebook and on YouTube.
Hope you guys enjoy it. We'll see you next time.
Until the next time. All right.